I've been asked a few different times on how to add a leading zero. Well, basically there's two ways to do it. The first one is to use the apostrophe, and let's say I want a 6-digit number. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and let's say put some numbers in there. It will prompt you with an error here. I'm going to click on this and ignore error and basically align it to the right here. That's one way. Second way is to use a cell formatting. Select the cell that you want, press Ctrl 1, make sure you're on the number tab, go custom, and put 6 zeros here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and click on OK. Now anytime if you enter a number here, say 246, you can see that it has a leading zero here. But the question is, can you add the leading zero numbers in both of this technique here? I'm just going to copy paste here, and of course the one on top is going to throw an error because it's a general format here. And if you add this number here, say this one plus this one, you can see that it does add up nicely for you then. Likewise on this number here, if you add them up, it does add up the number nicely as well.